Pipe sanding and polishing made simple with these professional pipe sander and polisher machines supplied by PolishUp. These tools are designed for sanding, polishing, and finishing pipes and tubes. Choose from a selection of Trizact and aluminium oxide abrasive belts in various grits to smooth and polish stainless and alloy surfaces. Depending on your requirements, these machines and kits can include cut and finish compounds for a very high finish. Key features include adjustable speed, flexible design to accommodate different pipe sizes, ergonomic handles for comfortable use. Great for metalworking, sanding, and polishing metal pipes. They can be used for cleaning and preparing pipes, polishing exhausts, handrails, and much more. Increase the efficiency and speed of job completion. Create a uniform, consistent finish with PolishUps pipe sanders and polishers. Visit polishup.com.au or call 1800 780 666 for more information.